What's up, y'all? Welcome back and welcome to another episode of Kreatrix in the kitchen. So today we're going to be making cauliflower and mushroom tacos. So let's get started. So what you're going to need, of course, is a head of cauliflower, mushrooms of your choice. I'm using Bella mushrooms. You're going to need a range of bell peppers. I like to use all the colors bell peppers, but you can use whatever colors you like. A little can of tomato sauce, an onion, and these are all the seasonings that I'm using because I'm making my own taco seasoning, because I don't like using pre-made taco seasoning because it has way too much salt in it. But if you prefer to use that, then go right ahead. But I just got some all natural ground savory, some onion powder, basil, oregano, garlic, sea salt, chili powder, paprika, garlic powder, cumin, sea salt, veggie pepper, poultry seasoning. And then for my oil that I'm going to be using is the organic liquid coconut oil with garlic infused. And that is our ingredients, so we got to get started. Okay guys, so once you get everything nice and chopped up, well prepared, we're gonna come over to our hot skillet and we're gonna cook all this on medium-high heat. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just shuffling everything around in the pan, making sure everything is well on the pan. And we're just gonna let this cook down for like 5 minutes before we add our seasoning. All right. And don't worry, it may look like the pan is overcrowded, but it's all good. It's all gonna come together beautifully. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our seasoning. And like I said, if you have the already pre-made taco seasoning, then you can use that. Now I don't measure, I just eyeball and feel, so I just stop whenever I feel like it's enough. But I'm gonna try to put the exact measurements for you guys. Make sure you put enough cumin, because the cumin is what actually gives the tacos that taco flavor. Chili powder, oh, it smells so good already. Paprika. guys season it well because it's a lot to go around. You want to make sure everything is nicely coated. So what I'm doing here is just add, on my shirt. Just adding a little bit of lime. Just a little bit of lime. And we're going to add our tomato sauce now. And you don't have to add this entire thing. You could just add about 1/4 of the tomato sauce. And then just add a little bit of water, which is what I'm going to do. Just to give it a nice juice to this. Alright, now I'm going to add the water. About 1/4 of water as well. And so what we're going to do now is we're just going to let all of this simmer together. So just like you would regular tacos, well, I don't know how anybody make their regular tacos. I know how I make my regular tacos. Like when I used to eat meat, when I used to do my ground beef tacos, this is similar to how I would do it. But yeah, so we're just gonna let this marinate in the taco sauce, and then we're gonna let this like marinate for like 5 minutes. See what we doing. You just want to make sure everything gets nice and translucent. Want to make sure the cauliflower gets nice and soft. And if that's not enough for you guys, which it's not looking like enough for me, I'm just gonna add a little bit more tomato sauce. Just a little bit more. But also you don't want to make it too saucy either, because we don't want too runny tacos, you know. But all of this is gonna come together. So I'm just gonna let it simmer, let it do its thing, let all the flavors marinate together and marry, and voila, we have tacos, cauliflower mushroom tacos. So I have some lettuce. These are all organic. I have lettuce, some chopped spring onion, cilantro, lime. I have some clover sprouts. I have some chopped tomato. I have some cherry peppers, hot cherry peppers. Then I have some taco sauce, hot sauce, and then some salsa verde. So just an assortment of stuff that I would want to put on my taco. And these are the taco shells. These are the blue corn tortillas. And yeah, I'm about to dress it up.